So now are you able to hear me? Now are you able to hear me? Can anyone just confirm on that? Am I audible? Yes, okay. That's good. That's good. Yes, loud and clear. Thank you. Thanks for that confirmation. So there was something issue with the Zoom. I just restarted Zoom and I think we are back. Okay, so then let's start with it and let everyone join. I'll just give 2 minutes because I had to disconnect everyone. We were almost 44 people and 34 are already there. So I think that is fine. Okay, so we are getting people joining us and let's start. Okay, okay. Think so. We are good now. Guys, can you just shut off the video because we don't want that eating the bandwidth. Okay, so that would be an issue for every one of us. Yeah. So please shut down the video. You can just select this. Cancel the video and it will be off. Okay. Okay. So now let's see. Uh, let's connect. So let's go to first Nifty and see what Nifty is saying. Okay, now let me get even my edit plus open note plus open. Okay, so we are ready with it. Okay. Oh, someone still joining. Okay, admit. Okay, so that was an early morning glitch, and here we are. So Nifty, let me just show you where we are with Nifty. Okay, it's following a trend line so far. Okay, so this is where we see Nifty as. Okay, same way we are supported at a gap right now. Okay, so we have got a gap here now on Nifty which is protecting it, and we have a gap over here which is right now resisting it. So we are actually trapped between the gaps. Okay, so now these are the two levels where we are right now, been there on the daily basis. Okay, and what we also see is I see a 3 bar one pattern as well. So let's not go into detail of it, but if this pattern holds good, we might get a higher high and we might cross and come near to 10,975. So okay, daily shows us some positivity on Nifty. So Nifty is looking a little bit stronger compared to the other indices right now. Okay, so Nifty, as we are seeing, first daily looks good. Let's see weekly as well. So let me remove now this lines. Okay, so see weekly has also been resisting in this zone. So once we cross 940 on closing basis of the week, we have 11,300 coming up. Okay, our first target was 10,660, then 10,800, which has been met, and now we are looking forward for a close above 10,940 for us to go till almost 11,300. So this is what where we can now reach on Nifty. So Nifty looks good. The only thing is right now RSI on weekly is around 55. It has got still some room till go till 60. And okay, here also we are around. See, this is the reason why we are resisting 10,800 or maybe also on monthly basis. Okay, so if you look at here, there is a resistance here as well. Okay, so support, resistance, and now again maybe resistance or maybe a breakout. Okay, so this is what we are waiting for. So July needs to cross this and go above. ओके जो हम लोग लास्ट वीक तक देख रहे थे, नाउ दैट इज बीन गॉन. सो रिट्रेसमेंट लेवल्स व्हिच वी वर लुकिंग एट, okay, now we are well above this levels. Okay, 10,500. So unless the month closes below 10,500, okay, we can stay bullish in the market with respect to Nifty. Okay, so if we touch around this level, we know that we are going to then see this coming soon. Okay, so maybe in 1 to 3 months we are coming back to where we started the fall from. Okay, so this is quite possible if we stay above this 61% of retracement, and that is where we are seeing right now Nifty. So Nifty right now looks good. Weekly has also given a breakout. The only thing is, if this is a bull trap, we might fall back. But if it is not a bull trap, we might go higher. And once we cross this 10 940, we can continue to 11,300 even on weekly basis. So that gives us much more comfort now on looking at Nifty. Okay, so Nifty can be coming up till this level, and daily also we are at a gap resistance and gap support both, right, as we just saw. So this is the lines where we are, and it's above 60, and there is nothing now on the divergence side. Okay, there is 71.61 and 71.08. So yeah, the close of this is 754, and this is 823. So okay, we do have some 4 bar bearish divergence as well out here. Okay, so we'll have to see what happens now. So we need it to stay above it. So then we know that 10,980 is coming up. So if this comes up, then weekly will support it to go above till 11,300, right? So 11,300, see, there are multiple big gap downs out here, which then we need to take care. But this is what we would be looking forward for. So once, let's commit to 10,980 around, and then we can then see what happens. But if we fall from here, the fall can be till 10,300. Okay, so this can be then taken as the first. So this is the first support, 10,550, then 10,360 or around 350, and then we can come till 10,100. So this is the range in which Nifty can then fall. Yeah, it is important. It is important. It's not important. But the only thing is, the only machine which is pulling Nifty up is Reliance. So now we'll have to check what Reliance is doing, because we also had year bearish divergence set up, and there was a trend line breakout which we were waiting for. Now again, you should be waiting for a breakout of this. If this breaks down on the downside and this gap is closed on closing basis, then we might see some fall in the market. Okay, so that is still there. So we need confirmation on this setup. There is a bullish setup as well as a bearish setup. Both are there. So I also see, if I consider this as a doji, a small doji out here. Okay, so between this black and this black, there is also 3 bar PRD. So now we'll have to see whether, which side it will take. Okay, so that is what we'll have to see even in this case. Okay, so maybe right now still dependent on what signals we get, but looking at the weekly and monthly, we might still be above. We have 11,300 as per weekly. So that is already there. On weekly we have this. Okay, daily as 4 bar bearish divergence setup, and also gap support and resistance both. Okay, so which side it breaks out, it will depend on that. On the upside, there is again gap resistance till 11 300 as well, right? So that is where we are right now. and monthly has resistance around 10,850. So this is where the monthly resistance for Nifty is, right? Now let's see Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty has got 59.60 now. There is no PRD or anything else out here. So what we have on Bank Nifty is probably, uh, right now support out here. If I just draw a line here, okay, so resistance here, but there is not a good breakout, but this candle is with good volumes here. Okay, so either it can be the first CIP, okay, on this, so change in polarity where the resistance changed to support, and second thing that you also have plus point is 60 support. Okay, so RSI is at 60 and price also at support. So now if we see some positive there, yeah, trend line support as well, you can say that also. Okay, so mainly you don't need to draw many more things. This one is more than enough, as you know, this is resistance turn to support maybe. Okay, and so monthly, let's see now weekly. So weekly has got, let me remove all the lines again. So this is the weekly, it's a shooting star. Okay, but shooting star has got a lesser volume compared to the other candles. So if you look at this candles, okay, and this volume is little less. Shooting star with volume is of importance. Okay, and again it's a shooting star at support. So again, if you know how we see candlesticks, okay, something at support and still bearish does not make sense. So if you get a movement higher than this, see, this is what was our target even when we said that, we might see above this 24,000. If the bearish pattern fails, this is what we can get, and we are already, around 23 118 is the high which we have made already. And now let's see if we get this, and this is also comfortably going above 42 now. So this is also showing us good strength right now on Bank Nifty. Yeah, only on high. Yes, that is where you should be doing it. Okay, so buy about 23 or as per top bottom, please. So Saraf sir, for us, we all know that top bottom entry would be about 20 to 900 now. So about 20 to 900 only you should go long on Bank Nifty. Okay, so let the 60 support get confirmed, as well as let's see how it moves. So my view would be to go long only as per top bottom and do not do anything else in Bank Nifty. Okay, so for options, yes, this is going to be the range as well. Okay, so 22,000 on the downside seems like a good support for this week, and maybe if we cross 23 200, we might see 23. This is what we can expect, 23 500 coming up as well. Okay, so this can be the on the upside, and downside can be 22,000 or 21,800, which is even this candle out here. So this can be the possible downside if we fall, and the upside can be around 23 300, 23 500 then. Okay, so these are the upsides of this particular thing. And as I think Saurabh said about it, is it's not yet on the trend line, but it might come till 20 to 300. And if this is broken, if this breaks, then we get into a bearish mode on to Bank Nifty, because it's a shallow trend line, and shallow trend line once broken gives a good fall. Then we can expect it to come out also around 21,100 again. Okay, so this can be the fall which can then happen. So there is both sides open, but let's see. Right now we are at support. Monthly is showing good sign by staying above 43, and also let me just remove all the lines. Okay, I think last week we were seeing it at still at 38% retracement, but see still it is the same. We are not able to cross this convincingly. So 22,470 is still critical. Okay, we need to have a close above this on weekly basis to go till 24,400, right? So this still has got some resistance and we need a close about it. No doubt we have got a better candle than last week. Okay. Okay, so we got a better candle than last week, but yet this looks, at resistance. So we need a breakout now on Bank Nifty in this week to cross 24,400. Okay, so that is where we are even on Bank Nifty. So this again, see, that's a shooting star actually on the retracement level, but on price level, we are at support. So it's going to be a dual sign red. So if we break the low of this, then there is, some gap support that we have till 21,800. That is what I was saying. And below that, we might then see a fall till 2,800 and all those below levels, right? But there can be some retracement and some support taken at 40 in that case. So if there is a retracement, that is fine. But if it is no retracement, then we see 24,400 as well. And one more thing which we need to observe is the rally which started from here, or I can just say from here. Okay, right now it has gone one way till here. So if it comes till 21,600 also, it's going to be a healthy retracement of the current rally. Okay, and then it might go above. So 2,800 or 21,600 is going to be healthy till 38%. If it comes and then rises also, it's going to be a healthy retracement of the current rally, and it might then continue ahead, right? So both things we need to see and see how it then moves on. Okay, so right now for Bank Nifty, see last week what we had was monthly 38% retracement, which is still there. Daily at 60 resistance. Now we have at 60 support. Bearish setup is there on weekly, but is neutral. Okay, so this all things stays right now and long above 22,500 and short below 21. Now we can say short below 22,100. Okay, so that is where the line breaks and then we can go short as well. And these are the targets mainly that we had thought of, right? So now let me just copy this. Okay, and I'll just put it at daily at 60 support rather than resistance. And potentially first CIP. Okay, weekly is still at support, so neutral. So long about 20 to 900 now. Okay, and short below 20 to 100, and target first on it can be 21,600 or 21,800, 21,200. Okay, and 2,800. Okay.
तो ज्यादा काम इसलिए गुस्सा हो गई
uh, okay, I'll just mute everyone. Okay. Okay, and stop loss for your short below this would be 22,450. Okay, so that is where the stop loss can be, or you can also, if you want to keep 22,500 is fine. Okay, so this is also fine because 22,450 is the line. So above that, if it goes and it does anything, we might be having it. Okay, so now let's look at Nifty IT. Okay, so Nifty IT is here. And we all saw Nifty IT going till the high. We all know TCS went till high. Even all the Infosys, NIT Tech went to high in last week, but then where it failed. Okay, so now you see very clearly where it failed. We have a gap resistance here. Okay, so this gap is now critical, and above that also there is a gaps only. So this is the now challenge for the market. Okay, and there is not much good news which where we can fill the gap with gaps. So that means we'll have to do hard work over here and then close the gaps. The best part is we are above 60. So this looks good. Okay, but we are at gap resistance and we need to close till here. So this is where we are struggling right now. Now this again, okay, we have come till here and we have closed the gap on uh, not yet. So we need, see, this is a pro gap candle on weekly. Okay, we call it as bear separating line. If anyone doesn't know what this candle is, okay, with respect to this, it's a bear separating line, and this separating line is a pro gap candle with professionals get into the market. Okay, so this again is the candle where you see that this close is 15,579 and this close is above. So it is 660 or 670. Okay, so unless and until I close this above, okay, above 680, I'm still at a pro gap and this gap is acting as resistance, and that is where I am. Second thing that you now have to see is this weekly at 60 resistance, and we have a neutral candle at weekly 60 resistance. So now if we break the low of this candle, IT stocks may see some retracement. Okay, so this is what we can expect. If this is crossed, we might see them touching new highs. Okay, but again, IT stocks would be running on the news that dollar is gaining. So that is the one thing. Okay, but parallelly they are losing contracts. So not a buy right now. Okay, and we'll see some stocks as well. And see, look at this. So this still has got some chance to come to 60. So this still has some steam, and we might see this coming to around this level, 16 to 60 or somewhere, where we have still not touched. The high of current candle is still low. So monthly looks okay to come till this level of resistance, and then we'll have to see what it does. Okay. Second thing that you see on monthly is this particular part. If you look at it, see where it took support. So this was a very good consolidation and a breakout. तो आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोग इन्वर्टेड कप का बात कर रहे थे. ओके, इन्वर्टेड कप करके पैटर्न मैंने कभी सुना नहीं और ना ही कभी देखा है, बट देयर वुड बी बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस सेटअप एंड देन देयर वुड बी अ फॉल. So you need to see much of the easier thing than inverted cup, but this is a cup. See, this is that cup, and see the logic is very clear. You got the actual output of this cup here. See, target met, and that's why we are resisting at that's this level. Okay, so ये कप पैटर्न था और ये कप का आंसर है आपके पास. और अभी देखो कहाँ उसने सपोर्ट लिया, जब भी मार्केट टूटा भी. Okay, February, March, when it was breaking, it took support at the cup level, right? And now, if this is truly a good cup, see like this, ये भी ये अच्छा कंसोलिडेशन है. सी दिस, ये मल्टी बैगर स्टॉक का मैं आपको एक लॉजिक दे रहा हूं. ओके, इफ योर आरएसआई स्टेज बिलो 60 फॉर 2.5 years and then it crosses 60 again, see this is the multi bagger and this is a consolidation, and see this how it is gone. अभी मैं आपको कप का और एक मैजिक दिखाता हूं कि ये देखो कितना टाइम दे सकता है. ओके, सो इट हैज गिवन यू सो मच ऑफ द टाइम ऑफ द कप. ओके, ये एक बार दे दिया उसने, 2 बार, 3 बार और शायद और एक बार. तो 4 बार रिटर्न दिया ये कप में आपको ऑलरेडी. और अभी भी इधर भी और एक कप है जिसे खाली एक टाइम दिया बिकॉज कोरोना आ गया तो मार्केट डर गया. अभी उसने लेकिन सपोर्ट उधर ही लिया जहां पे वो जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था ये ब्रेकआउट का, राइट? एंड दिस इज अ जेन्युइन ब्रेकआउट ऑन आईटी स्टॉक्स. Okay, that's why this, now this is the range. If we break above this, IT stocks will also have a good rally. Getting it? So this is the power of this cup. वो इन्वर्टेड कप के पीछे मत भागो. उल्टा कप में चाय आती नहीं, गिर जाती है. इसमें चाय संभलती भी और अपने को जीवन भर का चाय फ्री देती है. वो सब पता नहीं कौन फैला रहा है. वो इन्वर्टेड कप जैसा पैटर्न रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा, I don't know, but why spend time on something which you don't know or which you are not aware of, right? Make something useful which is available readily to us, right? And this is where we are. So again, IT stocks looks good. on monthly basis they are really looking good, and they might come to the all-time high also. That is possible. Right now we are at resistance and there can be some retracement in it if they retrace. Otherwise, if this is crossed again, we might see 16100 coming up, which is high of the shooting star. और एक बार शूटिंग स्टार का हाई क्रॉस कर लिया तो 60 भी क्रॉस कर लेगा. It will become very bullish on weekly and daily, and then monthly we'll have to see what it does. Yeah, Sandeep, because I had to say this because there is so much study and fighting going on in the Ulta Cup very much, right? And that is the reason why I said let me take this topic over here today, right? So let's put up on even this. So IT looks good on higher time frame. ओके, हायर टाइम फ्रेम नहीं डालता हूँ, मंथली डालता हूँ, नहीं तो वापस ये कंफ्यूजन है कि हायर किसको बोलते हैं. ऑन मंथली फॉर touching all time high. Okay, weekly at 60 resistance and daily 60. Okay, so this looks good to me. Now let's see the famous Nifty Pharma or whatever now comes next. So FMCG is next. I'll catch FMCG. Okay, so FMCG is at the same level. See, Doji at price resistance as well as 60 resistance. Okay, so we'll now have to see this is a very big resistance है, by the way. इसको हल्का मत समझो, बहुत सारा चीज है यहाँ पे. Okay, so see, this is resisting, breakout which was not sustainable, again breakout which didn't sustain, and again resisting at the same mark. Okay, so we now need a cross above this for new all-time high for this index as well, and weekly at 60 resistance. Okay, this is very simple right now. Again, it is similar to IT stocks. Okay, let me remove all the lines before we go to the other time frame. Okay, okay. Oh, here also, see, it is now about 20 MA. It took 3 months, 4 months. It resisted. See, 20 MA once, twice, thrice, and here it's closed above it, and now we are moving above it. So एक बार ये 20 MA से गाड़ी निकलती है ना, वो normally अगर अच्छा सीन है तो it will come till here. It will come and meet the upper band. Okay, क्योंकि ये अभी यहाँ से तो छूट चुके हैं, बोरीवली से निकला है तो चर्च गेट जाके आएगा एक बार, फिर वो चर्च गेट पे रुकता है या बियॉन्ड जाता है वो मालूम नहीं है. Okay, so at least it will come here and it will wait, and let's see what it happens. See, normally, if I draw a trend line on this, okay, I am expecting this to come till here. Okay, for resisting, and then if there is a breakout, we might see again a fresh rally in the FMCG stocks, right? So this looks okay to me on monthly again. Again, monthly RSI is around 56, 57. It still have time to touch 60. So 60 is going to be the resisting, but weekly is exactly around 59.35. So we need to see whether it goes above. See, Doji है, Doji का high cross किया तो buy करो, simple, and then hold it. And again, see, this is 1 minute. इधर एक गूगली लग रहा है. 68, 68.26. Okay, 65. Okay, so there is no PRD setup, but 70, 69. Okay, so this has got a 3-bar bearish divergence as well as 60 resistance on weekly. So there can be some retracement even over here, and also we are around. See, प्राइस रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पे भी है. ये जो दो ट्विजर टॉप है, वो ट्विजर टॉप और ये जो एरिया जहाँ पे उसने सपोर्ट लिया है, वही एरिया पे हम है. एंड द क्लोज ऑफ दिस इज 773. अच्छा, ये जो कैंडल है उसका क्लोज मेरे को इधर दिखता है. So you can see my crosshair is on which candle, and you can see the close of that, which is 30,773.90. This is 821, and now look at the RSI, 70.68 and 69.89. So this very clearly states a 3-bar bearish divergence on FMCG on daily basis. Okay, so now what you need to do is see, इसको भी फिलहाल ये गैप सपोर्ट हेल्प कर रहा है, निफ्टी की तरह ही है ये भी। ओके, ये गैप सपोर्ट पे है और ये सीआईपी भी है। तो इफ यू लुक एट दिस, okay, it's a consolidation at CIP, by the way. Okay, so which side now it breaks is going to define, the trend of this. Okay, so this is again, see, resistance, and then there is a breakout, but this is not a clear breakout. But the only thing is it's above 60, and now it has got a 3-bar bearish divergence. Okay, so we need to see if this line is broken and this gap is closed. So below this 30,300, we might see some correction even in the FMCG stocks. Okay, so FMCG right now daily, weekly shows some bearish patterns, and monthly is still good. Okay, so monthly is good, so we might bounce back as well because high time frame will rule. Okay, so now let's write here. Okay, so this is now weekly and daily. Weekly at 60 resistance, and daily at price resistance. Okay, so we see this now for this sector. Now let's move on to the other sector. Monthly, I said monthly, not weekly. Now let's see, Nifty Pharma is the next. So now see, this is a fantastic pattern. If this makes like this and it stays above this, okay, or above this, okay, I am going to say something for this is if I stay above this line, okay, let me draw it from very far, okay, and this is the line where I'm expecting it to come to retrace also, huh? See, this is resistance, 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 breakout, and now we are above it. Okay, parallelly, I just draw some retracement out here. See, my retracement line and my blue line matches. Okay, so if Nifty Pharma comes down also till 9415 and then shows you a bounce, buy pharma stocks. Okay, that is where the pharma stocks are now going to have a good run. Okay, the main part is what you can get as a return is a very good return. Okay, you might get this, okay, and say a breakout on this. अरे कॉपी हो जा भाई मेरे. You might see Nifty Pharma at all-time high, and that is what you can see once the pharma gets a breakout, and maybe 1 or 2 more months, and we know vaccine is out. Eureka, eureka, right? And that eureka, eureka, all Archimedes will start rocketing that. So that is where this can happen, very much possible, because the only sector which can pull you out from the current pandemic is pharma sector, right? And that is where you might have to wait and see how it does it. But this looks to me a very healthy retracement which we are currently into. Once a breakout on this, we might see a very good hike on this. ये पूरा एक कैंडल जो हमने शायद मिस किया रहेगा ना, वो पूरा कैंडल आपको इधर मिल जाएगा. तो पछताने का मौका नहीं देगा ये मार्केट. Okay, it will give you that levels from where you can enter. Okay, and see, currently also we are seeing 60 coming up, approaching, and resisted yesterday or Friday. Okay, so yes, we do see some retracement in this market on pharma sector. See, small candles and dojis getting up over here as well, right? So this is again that same thing that we are seeing into it, and we might see some months of slowness into the pharma side. If there is a breakout about this, we might see some good returns as well, but there can be some slowness in pharma basically. Okay, see, it had a very good dream run, by the way. Itna bada run itna small time mein hua hai. So one concept which you all should be aware of is price and time. दे हैव टू कैच अप. ओके, अगर मैं इतना भी फास्ट भाग गया हूं ना थोड़े कम टाइम में, तो फिर मेरे को थोड़ा ब्रीदिंग प्रॉपर करने के लिए रुकना पड़ेगा. I cannot run consistently with a very high speed for a long distance. I had a good run. Now this is my catching the breath. And after my breath has been caught by me, again I can start a fresh run. Okay, so that is what even market does. And that is what you can see out here as well. So Nifty Pharma, for me, it seems to be, one of the sector which is going to pull Nifty to the all-time high in some months. Okay, so this is where, you should be concentrating and might, wait for a clear breakout. But yes, Pharma looks good to me. Okay, but currently at resistance as well, and might be, the sector in under retracement. Okay, so I might say that sector under retracement. Main thing is monthly resisting 60. Monthly resisting 60 and probably किधर चला गया मैं, क्यों आया ये कंट्रोल जेड मेरे भाई, नीचे वाला ऊपर मत लेके आओ. Probably flag setup up to all time high. Okay, so this can happen. ये क्या हुआ, कुछ तो गलत हुआ ना, कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है कहीं पे मेरा. Sector under retracement, resisting and probably okay. Now it is fine. Sorry, my mouse is too oversensitive, and that is the reason why where I'm typing it goes to somewhere else and starts typing. Okay, so now let's see the other last sector, which is Nifty Auto, which was doing good so far till last week, and suddenly थोड़ा बिगड़ा बच्चा हो गया वो, तो उसके कान पकड़ते कि क्या हुआ भाई तुमको. अरे नहीं नहीं, मेटल्स को कभी भी जिंदगी में नहीं देखता हूँ मैं. Okay, so now this is where, see, we saw this getting impacted with the actually year. Okay, so we knew that there is some resistance at this levels, and see that is where Nifty Auto is also facing some issue. Okay, so this is the gap resistance where we are being taken out and we are been facing issues. मारुति में भी बहुत लोग फंस गए क्योंकि मारुति का दो पहिए निकल गए. 6250 मार के it came down. Yeah, so that is what it is, and you can think of them, right? So Cipla and Dr. Reddy pattern, once you will see, you will understand why I'm saying they will pull Nifty. Okay, so wait and watch for that. Okay, now look at this again. See 60 resisted and with a bearish type of a candle. Okay, so 60 resisted actually on weekly as well, and also monthly is good. Okay, see monthly does not give me any issues out here. I don't see them because, see, one thing is I trade only futures, and in futures I don't see, the lot size of them are too huge. See, now as I said, this can come till 38%. थोड़ा बहुत उसके पास आके थोड़ा नीचे आया है. So now we'll have to wait for it to come again till here and cross it. Okay, so this can be the near term, but now we might see this, having some repulsions out here. And mainly I avoid stocks with higher movement, so more volatile movements, as well as lot size. So mainly my things are around lot size as well as this. So now this looks, at, see again, इसको भी gap support पे भी है और gap resistance पे भी है, and weekly resisted 60, right? So now again we'll have to see if we are able to get some movement on the upside. Okay, because weekly gap has been closed. See, weekly ये जो gap था जो उसको 3 हफ्ते 4 हफ्ते बीच में आया था 1 2 3. ओके, सो ये 3 हफ्ते जिसने उसको रोका था, इनफैक्ट ये फोर्थ वाला भी वही था. ओके, उसको उसने 4 हफ्ते का रेजिस्टेंस एक कैंडल से तोड़ दिया है. and now we are again having something. So this 60 resistance as well as daily also gap, so we will have to have the same thing, is weekly resisted 60 we can say, and daily at gap resistance and support. Okay, दोनों है वो. Okay, monthly is neutral actually for us. Okay, so now let's start first with the stocks. Okay, so we have seen all the indices. Now we'll move back to futures. Okay, one thing I think everyone are aware that I normally see stocks only on futures. So if you want to buy them on equity, you should check once the equity prices as well, because the trades you should be taking should be on the time on the actual instrument chart and not on futures. Okay, so Reliance, yes, it's now at all-time high close, and again one example of monthly cup pattern. So see multi-bagger, again I will just show you that. Okay, so you get more and more confidence on this pattern, और inverted करके कुछ नहीं होता है. ओके, ये एक पार्ट है जहाँ पे इसने ब्रेकआउट दिया हुआ है. ओके, एंड this is where it also took support. See, this was the consolidation after the breakout. ये बहुत सारे जगह पे अभी हो रहा है. हमने बहुत सारे जगह पे देखा कि ब्रेकआउट के बाद एक कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा है. निफ्टी एफएमसीजी में भी देखा है हम लोग ने, निफ्टी फार्मा भी हम यही देख रहे हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट यू आर सीइंग ऑन स्टॉक्स, similar setup we are also seeing it on stocks, and even Nifty IT showed you the same thing. कंसोलिडेशन लेवल पे ही जब भी मार्केट टूटा उससे वहां पे इसी सपोर्ट लिया है. So that's why 900 was the best price to re-enter into Reliance, because that was the price from where it has bounced, and that is the level of sorry. So that is the level actually of this consolidation after a breakout. Okay, and now see it is at all-time high. Okay, and so monthly looks fantastic. Now what you can expect as targets. Okay, so this was one of it. Twice we have already got further breakout. Okay, अभी थोड़ा इसको नीचे करना पड़ेगा. So जो लोग ने 2300 बोला है वो गलत नहीं बोला है. Okay, still possible. And when there are many multiple stocks who have given 7 to 8 times of this breakout of cup, this is the king of market, right? You can expect what it can give you. So never underestimate Reliance. Reliance for me is my best stock and I love it. Okay, because the only thing is I've started loving it is after this breakout. Okay, and this breakout was a 10-year breakout. Okay, समझ लो कि कुंभकर्ण जागा था और वो जागा 10 साल के बाद, तब वो धमाल मचा के ही रहेगा. Okay, so that is what it is, right? See, daily also it has closed at all-time high. Okay, but there is bearish divergence here. Okay, so 5-bar bearish divergence right now also, but this is the stock which is keeping on doing bearish divergence setup. Okay, ये 76.9 है, यहाँ पे भी 73 है. So again, see, this is doing this continuously, but it is not confirming. So we need a confirmation on this. So this is what it is happening, but इसका confirmation था previously to break this. It broke it and again went up. Now again there is a 5-bar, so now you will have to say trend line breakout like this. If it goes below this, you short. Okay, 1920 के नीचे 1820 के नीचे जाएगा तो शॉर्ट करो, नहीं तो ये और ऊपर जा सकता है, right? So this is what it is. So Reliance is making those patterns, but the best part is it is not confirming the divergence. Okay, वो divergence confirm करता नहीं है, इसके लिए इसको short करने के लिए you really need to think twice. I know few people had shorted it after I think last weekend when we closed the open long trade. Okay, so be very careful in shorting Reliance right now and look at this weekly no divergence. Okay, high time frame rules, and now as per what we had seen, the chances of that as well. So it's a flag breakout. See, this is what I'm expecting on even Nifty Pharma. Okay. The same thing I'm expecting now on Nifty Pharma, and this is the target for Reliance. Okay, this can come. और ये बराबर 80 पे दिखा रहा है, और जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं उनको मालूम है कि 2080 में क्या बोलता रहता हूँ रिलायंस के लिए. ओके, 1820 के ऊपर क्लोज देता है तो 1880 पे खड़ा रह जाता है, एंड दैट इज वेयर इट इज राइट नाउ. एंड माय नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज नाउ 1920. ओके, एंड 1920 एज पर अस वाज आल्सो डेली फ्लैग का सेटअप भी है वो, तो वो भी एक है जो अपना टारगेट हो सकता है. ओके, ये जो फ्लैग था और ये जो ब्रेकआउट आया है उसका 1920 इज द टारगेट, बिकॉज ये छोटा फ्लैग है, ये बड़ा फ्लैग है. ओके, सो wait and watch for this, and let's see how it goes. And see, main thing is black candles does not have volume, but look at the white candles, very good volumes out here, very good volumes out here. So now if it is to confirm the bearish divergence, it has to fall below 1820. Let it fall. Okay, then only you can short this, otherwise don't short it. And see, CIP taken. Okay, this is the CIP again. See this CIP at all-time high. Okay, so if you just don't understand CIP, see this: resistance, breakout, support. That is what is CIP. Yeah, mentally band walk also vicious. That's right. Okay. सराफ सर, मेरा नुकसान मत कराओ ना, मेरे पास बहुत पड़ा है, इक्विटी में पड़ा है, उसको नीचे मत लाओ, उसको जाता जाने दो. Okay, so yeah, you can think of it, and let's see how it goes. But this can be the range if you want to enter into a buy trade. If this range is maintained, and you can enter at this as consolidation phase now. Okay, that is what Reliance is doing. So Reliance, I'll still continue to hold my previous week target. Okay, so the target which I had given is of this. So 1920 आने के बाद we can look. So if it closes above 1920, then 1980 is the next target, and then 2000. 2000 is going to be a huge target, because that is where we might face much time of resistance. When earlier also Reliance had to cross 1000, it faced a huge resistance at a very good round number. Okay, so 2000 is going to be a good psychological mark for many who have bought it at 900. देखो, ये साल में ही 900 में बहुत लोग ने बाई किया रहेगा, एंड 1800 एंड अबाउ डबल हो गया करके बहुत लोग बेचने को भी बैठा है. Okay, so that is where you might see some retracement in the stock, but yes, 1920 2000 can be reachable maybe in this month. Okay, so let's see how it faces, and that is the reason why थोड़ा बहुत बुलिश स्टैंड बनता है निफ्टी पे. बट बैंक निफ्टी के लिए ना कोई रिलायंस नहीं है, HDFC बैंक थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया है. ओके, so that is the reason why we are not getting bank nifty running higher. But see, nifty and bank nifty, man, nifty has got very good strength, and that strength has been added only by one single stock right now, Reliance. Okay, heavyweight in the index, and which is running like a really strong bull right now. Right, so now let's see the other stocks. Okay, Nifty stocks mein, let's see. I'll go to what we have right now in the platter also. So Bharti Airtel is also one of the stock which is in my radar. The only news for radar is this. Okay, it's a good cup breakout. Again, this is because of the breakout of the cup. Mouse. Okay, so this is where it is, and see the doji is at support. Okay, so below 532 or below 525, it might dip again, but my doubt is that, see this, it's been taking support at 60 after a long time. Same pattern as Reliance. अगर इसको थोड़ा सिकुड़ दूं, okay, see this, it's the same pattern like Reliance after a multi-year breakout on 60. Okay, this was a false breakout, but now see this. मल्टी ईयर ब्रेकआउट अबाउट 60, 10 years इसने भी वनवास निकाल लिया अपना, और अब ये भी भाग सकता है. This is going to be one of the stock which I am liking it, and that's why it's a positional buy above this high. 595 के ऊपर ही बाई है, अभी भी मैं वही स्टैंड रखता हूँ, बाय अबाउ 595, और मे बी इफ यू वांट टू बी स्टिल स्ट्रांग, बाय अबाउ द ऑल टाइम हाई. Okay, buy above the all time high and hold it for a long time, because the first target it might give you is 800. Okay, so that is where it is. See, weekly also it is taking support on this line. Okay, so weekly in a way we call this as, जो लोग कप का बात कर रहे हैं ना, ये कप बना और ये कप का हैंडल बना. ओके, ये हैंडल है, हैंडल हमेशा पतलू रहता है, हमको भी मालूम है कप में हैंडल का साइज कितना रहना चाहिए, बराबर है. तो अभी पहले सबसे पहले ये हैंडल जितना है ना, उतना तुमको फर्स्ट टारगेट देगा वो. ये डेप्थ ऑफ द हैंडल फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर इज द डेप्थ ऑफ द हैंडल, सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट टारगेट. ओके, तो जब इतने सारे सीधे कप है तो क्यों इन्वर्टेड कप के पीछे पड़े हो भाई, वो भी समझो, नहीं जरूरत है वो सब. Okay, inverted cup, and I will show that also once. Okay, before the close I will show you that. I know I'm overshooted by the time. Okay, but see, this is the target that you can get for the handle. Okay, so it's really good. Flag pattern also, yeah, you can say that also, because ये है, फिर ये ब्रेक, ये कंसोलिडेशन है, ये कपड़ा का पार्ट है, और कपड़े पे ब्रेकआउट आएगा तो बड़ा ब्रेकआउट आएगा. एंड सी, दिस इज द कंसोलिडेशन, वॉल्यूम अबाउट 60. Okay, so RSI is also around 60. It's not doing anything else, right? That's why I'm very much bullish on this stock as well. Daily just is consolidating, and we need a breakout above this. Simple breakout above this. Okay, and is expected soon. In some days, you might see a breakout. Okay, that is where you might now see this stocks also. So again, I say that buy above 595 or 611 above the all-time high. Okay, again I stick to my positional view on Bharti Airtel. Okay, Maruti. So let us see now few stocks on Nifty Auto as well as part of Nifty. So Maruti right now is at CIP. Okay, look at this. So if it is able to survive this, hold it. Okay, so if Maruti is able to survive this, hold it. It's a first CIP, a good breakout with a good big candle. Okay, so if so, and also this. Okay, so now if it is a breakout above this, okay, you need to see if it falls below 57 or 5800, which was a very good resistance so far. Now if it goes below 5800 only, a short should be triggered on this. Okay, so see, right now it's a small candles, two small candles after a bearish engulfing. So this, yes, is certainly a very bearish candle, but that bearish candle has got a lower volume. Okay, so that volume is lower in this bearish engulfing. So again, I don't count this as a more bearish signal, because the volumes on the fall are not bigger. See, the falls are got very small volumes compared to the white candles out here, right? So again, this seems to be good to me. It's only resisting at around this gap that we have, and we need to close it with a bang. So about 6200, yes, 6500 is coming up on daily charts as well, and we need to see now how it moves. So again, Maruti, as per top bottom only, one should do entry. Please do not do on your own, because Maruti, Reliance and Bank Nifty, we track it regularly on top bottom. So please do it as per top bottom only. See, there are a few things out here now. You might see a bearish pattern at resistance. Okay, so this is the resistance on weekly as well. It's a good resistance. Okay, so we had got a resistance out this level. Okay, so this is the place where you can see it was resisted earlier here, supported, and then see broken, and now we have broken that again. Okay, so this is where we have been resisting it, and it's the same place we are again. Okay, and we are resisting it. So yes, there can be some retracement as per this, but this again is a good CIP level as well. Okay, so we'll have to see this is at support. Price is at support, not CIP, sorry, but this is at support as well. So now if we stay above this level, one sec. Okay, so if we stay above this level, okay, we still might continue to hold good. So again, see that 5800 comes again on the weekly chart as well. So that might keep you going higher as well. And now let me remove all the lines out here. Yeah, delete. Okay, see it's forming some pattern at the monthly resistance also. See this dojis out here, the low of this candle, okay, all are resisting right now. So that is where we are resisted. L6400 or 6450 was the middle band and we should have touched it, but we are getting the price resistance here right now, and that is where we got some trap. Okay, so this is still looking good. As far as the highs crossed, I would not enter again in Maruti, but also, if there is a breakout below 5800, see again, this is the 5800 mark over here also, 5805. Below this, you might short it for some profits in the lower side as well. Okay, and it has got nearly now, this is the fourth candle in the same color. Okay, so we'll have to see what it ends the month as. Okay, over here you can see there is some consolidation here which has happened. Okay, so let's see if this breakout can now sustain and we get another white candle here, or we get a follow up on the breakdown side. Okay, so then the support can be around 5400, which is also the gap support even on the monthly candle. Okay, so yes, Maruti looks daily at support, but see daily has broken 60. Okay, so it is at 57.56. But if tomorrow it rises, we might see again 60 being supported. So tomorrow is critical for Maruti. Okay, if it crosses 60, we are good to go ahead with it, and we might still see this 6400 or 6450 coming up. Else, we might see some breakdown in this stock. So mainly, we had closed down a Bank Nifty prematurely top bottom, as well as Maruti and Reliance, all of them. But I think, we have definitely benefited in Maruti and Bank Nifty. Reliance has gone against, and that is, mainly that stock is right now in a very good hold position because of the AGM which has been planned on next week. So 15th July, I think around 15th July or 16th July, it has got the AGM as well. And there are chances we might break that shackle at that time, and we might go, before the AGM, we might see a blast in that stock. Okay, so this I'm again little bit bearish. So Maruti daily at gap resistance sideways if comes across this. So now this is going to be still somewhere I'll copy it, but I'll change it. Okay, daily at gap resistance, I'll not say it. Daily at price support is what I'll say. Okay, weekly and monthly resisting 60 to 50 levels. Okay, so now if crosses 50 by above for 6500 as your next target. Some doubts out here. Shooting star at resistance. Not at resistance, you can say any signal for earlier false breakout. Yeah, so if there is a breakout above it without volume, it will be a false breakout. So you'll have to check volumes also in that case, right? And it's not at resistance actually, it's at support, because weekly has got a shooting star, but that shooting star is at price support. Okay, so if you look at this, see it is at support. It's not below this. Okay, if it was have gone below this, 5800 is this level. Okay, so if it goes below 5800, you might see it breaking down further. Now let's look at banking. Okay, let me look at few other stocks on this. Okay, so this clearly resists C price as well as a bearish candle. You can see an evening star set up on MRF at 60 resistance. Okay, so MRF weekly shows me evening star at 60 resistance. Okay, daily is already below trend line. Okay, so it has done a trend line breakout also on the downside and also CIP on trend line. See, this was CIP on trend line. So yes, it's right now at support of 20 MA. So if the low breaks, okay, so if the low breaks of Friday, you might short it for, the next target is still this level, 62,000. Okay, so this looks good for a 62,000 fall. And monthly also, we are seeing it making a bearish pattern at resistance. Look at this. Okay. So yeah, we have something on the auto sector, some retracement expected. Okay, so this might tell us that Maruti have to be seen very carefully tomorrow what it does. If it breaks below the low of 5800, time to get out of it or short it. Okay, so that is where we might see it. Um, any other sector? Let me just see Bajaj Auto as well because that is where we used to see last week also. Okay, see Bajaj Auto, which was resisting, see again 20 MA resisted once, twice, and now we are above it. But we still need to cross this 3000 mark on it. Okay, so so it also resisted on price as well as see 60. Okay, so that is where we are resisting, but it's a doji. Okay, so now if the doji high is crossed, can be bought, and if the low is crossed, it can be shorted. And daily is at 60 support. Okay, so daily again is at 60 support. So Bajaj Auto looks okay to us. Okay, and see this is the gap where it has been resisted. So that is where we need to cross this gap and close above it. So that is where Bajaj Auto is looking to be at. Bajaj Finance we'll see later when we cover the other things. Okay. Yeah, HUL we will surely do it because HUL is part of FMCG. Okay, and Britannia as well because it did made a new all-time high. Okay, so that is where Bajaj Auto is. So we saw auto sector, right now in few stocks looking downwards and only one right now on dailies at 60 support. So again, what Bajaj Auto does tomorrow is going to be seen. If it takes 60 support and bounces, we might see it coming to close to again the 3000 mark, which is the resistance on the other higher time frames, right? So now let's look into HDFC Bank. Yeah, actually, HDFC Bank. Okay, so now see HDFC Bank has got Uri Baba PRD setup. Okay, some breather for Bank Nifty lovers. Okay, so HDFC Bank has got a PRD setup here. 64 and 60. No, I'm talking about this 66. So 4 bar PRD maybe. Okay, so there is a 4 bar PRD right now here. Okay, but the target is not above. Okay, so maybe around we might get it around 1135 as the target. Okay, so this is where we might come. Okay, so again we are see the target takes us to the another gap. Okay, ये पूरा मार्केट ना छेदी सिंह हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना. इतने छेद है ना इसको भरते भरते पता नहीं दम घुटना वाला है सबका. Okay, so this again needs to be filled and this is going to be acting as resistance. So now let's see if we do that. So there is a 4 bar PID setup over here. Okay, so daily looks good to me. If it crosses the high, there is a buy. Again, see this resisted at the gap. See 1134 पे ही उसको resist किया है. Okay, that is around the gap. So this is the gap resistance on weekly. Okay, so this is where we need a close about 1134 for it to come to almost 1182. Okay, so this is one of the level. And एक मिनट ये इधर क्यों आ रहा है भाई ऊपर गया. Okay, and let me remove this. See, this is right now resisting 20 MA. So if it crosses 20 MA, we might see it coming to see 1188 was the thing, and over here also the resistance is around the same level. Okay, so this is where we might see the stock coming up once we see this gap getting close. So ये weekly gap है, weekly इसको भरना चाहिए. See, it has been now at a gap support as well, and now at gap resistance as well. Okay, so this is where we are now going to have some consolidation, or if we cross this, yeah, we might see this coming up till this levels also. Okay, so then we have this as the first target 1180 and maybe then 1200 reaching. Okay, so this is what even HDFC can do. Okay, so HDFC Bank daily 4 bar PRD target is around 1135. Okay, weekly at gap resistance closes above 1135. Okay, and monthly neutral. Okay, monthly right now is oh, bhai, neutral का spelling तो ठीक से लिख. Okay. Any doubts? Anyone said anything? Sir, suggest one stock today equal to Reliance returns. Bharti Airtel. Okay. बाकी इसी रिलायंस इज रिलायंस उसको आज भी बाई करो ना इक्विटी में और रख दो डबल करके देगा वो 5 साल में 5 साल तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ उसके कम में डबल करके देगा ओके at any price buy Reliance. You looked at the chart, right? So do not worry. Now let's see few other banks. See, this is facing this issue. Shooting stars and see the resistance that it has got at 381. Right, and we had the target of 385, 380 earlier as well, and that is where we have reached. Okay, so this is where it has been resisted again. Again, see 385, which was the target, we are having around the same level of resistance on ICICI, and see this is again the resistance. Okay, so this we need to now cross, but it has also got a gap down. Okay, so now this looks little bad to me, and it might come down till 40 for support, and maybe price support around 340 level. So around this, we might see some breakdown on ICICI. Okay, at the same time, if we look at it, okay, we are at trend line support as well. If you take this, it's okay. If you break down, this is where it can come to. Okay, so ICICI looks okay to me. It does not support anything. I'm only looking at the key stocks of the index. That's it, Gajendra, nothing else. And anyways, I'll call you, around 12:30 after the thing. Okay, and we'll discuss as well. Right? I know I was supposed to call you yesterday, but I got dragged into some food distribution, and I was not able to call you then. Okay, so we'll do that today. So this is where it is. So ICICI does not show you much thing. I know many people was behind IndusInd, but let us see even Kotak and IndusInd both. Okay, see Kotak has got some type of consolidation you can say out here. Okay, इसको हम equilateral wedge बोल सकते हैं. Okay, any side breakout is possible, whichever side it breaks out. See, upper side has been capped at 1500 because this is a huge gap. Okay, तो ये gap को gap पे आके वो अटक सकता है. तो there can be a equivalent breakout till here. Okay, and breakdown can be maybe till this level. Okay, now we are not expecting the market to fall, like it did this. Okay, because we have already lived so far with Corona, and I think now market is adjusted to Corona. So don't feel that we might see something else. Okay, let me remove this again. See, हम लोग घर पे बैठे बैठे फेड अप हो गया तो मार्केट भी तो अभी बोलेगा ना बस हो गया अभी डाउनफॉल, right? So don't worry on that. See, again, this is resisting the same lines, okay, which it is resisting. So again, see, this is a good gap resistance which we have on weekly. Okay, तो ये क्रॉस करने के लिए भी उसको टाइम जाएगा. Okay, so that is where we are facing issues with Bank Nifty actually. Again, you see, look at this. Okay, uh, it is at the same level, and we might face some issues out here. So this is the reason why Bank Nifty is actually struggling, guys. Okay, because all of the banks are now right now at the critical either gap resistance. Okay, and that is where we are struggling, and we don't have any reliance. As I said, Bank Nifty में कोई reliance नहीं बैठा है. Okay, and let's see the last stock. I think many of you were talking about this to touch 220, 230 levels. Okay, so now see, look at this. Okay, first PSU Bank, which I'm just saying, I normally hate them. Okay, and I'm not a big lover of PSU banks, but this is the level which we need to cross. 1 minute, I'll just give. Okay, sorry. So this is the level, you first need to cross this for that, and then see 220, 230 तो दूर का बात है. 220, 213 is one resistance, and then see 220 and that 230 are till this. तो बीच में बहुत सारे पड़ाव पास करने पड़ेंगे. ये कौन बनेगा करोड़पति का, अभी तो फर्स्ट राउंड भी चालू नहीं हुआ और यहाँ का टारगेट इज ड्रीम. So wait for it. Okay, see now it is crossing 40 after a long time, but still see this breakout is still will be there, and there is a huge gap resistance between this. Okay, so 209 को पहले पढ़ाव को क्रॉस किया जाए, बाद में हम 230 को सोचेंगे. Okay, and then the monthly is still resisting 40. पहले इसको तो monthly को तो 40 क्रॉस करने दो, right? So SBI has got multiple resistances, and it also has got an equivalent weightage on Bank Nifty, right? So that's why see Bank Nifty is not running like Nifty because of these reasons, right? So now you understood why Bank Nifty has got some resistances here, right? So now let's move on to pharma sector, and let's go to DRR. Okay, again see DRR monthly. If I keep saying, I love this pattern. It's a beautiful cup out on monthly. So monthly breakout is about 4400. Okay, but weekly already as a breakout, और इसको थोड़ा मैं compress करूँगा so that you can see the part very clearly. Okay, and I'll bring this line a little down. Okay, this is the move. Okay, so this is where this is the breakout. Okay, see this is a good consolidation cup. Okay, इसको थोड़ा ऊपर खींचता हूँ. See, this is a good consolidated cup. Okay, and see now it is at 60 support. Okay, and see it is coming out with a hammer or a doji at support now. तो ये यहाँ पे आके यहाँ पे support भी ले चुका है. Now let's see if it starts again the movement on the upside. Okay, so the retracement out here is been done to 25%. Okay, so this he's ready now. If it comes now, if it bounces above this high, it can again come till this level. Okay, so this is really looking good on all the time frames. Okay, see this cup, ये बड़ा weekly cup का breakout हो चुका है, उस पे CIP भी ले लिया, which is a very healthy sign. And now again it is trying to come down and might go up, because this is happening because Nifty Pharma resisted 60. Okay, and also same is now see this. Okay, even on this has got CIP at this level. See, अरे भाई तो आना 2 minute. Now let me just increase the width. See, this is the length at which I am taking support right now, 3850. Okay, and 3940 is a very good resistance right now. Okay, 4 to 5 times it has been resisting 3940. So close above 3940 should be a buying for this particular stock. Okay, and see this is the reason why 3940 I'm saying. See, this is the reason 3940 is this level where see I'm been resisted how many times. You can see a black candle 1 2 3 4 times. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm saying 3940 के ऊपर buy करो. So 3950 के ऊपर close होते ही this can be a bot. Okay, and you see right now weekly daily taking 40 support and bouncing. Okay, so now this stock is ready for again a movement till this level. A further breakout on this can take you to the all-time high and might give you a breakout. So this pharma sector is, that's why it is right now seeing a retracement only. Okay, and that is what it is doing so far. So wait for a breakout on this. Okay, if you want to enter, see again this becomes a good trend line. Above this is a good entry again. Okay, so this is where I'm looking at pharma sector to be really bullish and good. Okay, let's see Cipla as well. The Cipla is also into a good consolidation level at CIP. Okay, ये देखो ये जो resistance था, resistance, support, support. Okay, now need a breakout. Okay, so now this breakout above is going to help this also, and see weekly also doing the same. Let me remove all the lines. सी इट्स डोजी. ओके, तो ये डोजी पे डोजी है. ओके, ये सनी पाजी का फ्रेंड है. तारीख पे तारीख, डोजी पे डोजी. ओके, एंड सी नाउ दिस. सो इसमें भी एक फ्लैग पैटर्न बन रहा है यहाँ पे. इट्स ऑल्सो मेकिंग सिमिलर पैटर्न एज निफ्टी फार्मा. Okay, so let it complete, and then you might see a breakout on this, and monthly is at 60. Okay, so this is again where it takes consolidation is very very important. It's taking consolidation right now at support, unless and until it breaks the low of the 1618 or 1600, or sorry, 1600 600. Okay, so below 600 only I might think of changing my view on Cipla as well. Okay, so Cipla is also looking good. And let me see one of the stock which was in news and which we had in our buy list as well, which was Glenmark. See, Glenmark had a very good entry when we had done, we had a flag setup on weekly. Okay, ये flag setup था और अपना target भी आ गया था, और वो target वही week में बाद में नीचे भी आ गया. Okay, but that is fine. Okay, so we had our target, and see, it's a huge shooting star with a huge volume. Okay, so now as we are between this gap support and this, as far as we are holding between this, we are okay. But once we go below this, this shooting star will take precedence. Okay, and it's a huge wig. Okay, जिन ने मेरा candlesticks किया है उनको मालूम है मैं shooting star के बारे में how I define it. Okay, bigger the wig, more powerful is the shooting star. And see the volume, maximum, highest volume, right? So now again, see, it is at 20 MA resistance also on monthly. Okay, so now let's see if it takes support on this line and bounces again till 490 or odd level or not. Else, I would, not trust this particular company anymore, because there was some rumors on it, and that rumors have actually, see, now this gap is yet to be filled. So if this gap has been defended, you might someday see some rise. But again, see, this is a dark cloud cover with the equivalent volume out here. Okay, so there was a fall on the same day. It didn't stayed above the high of 574, 575, which it touched, and then see the next day dark cloud cover and then a gap down, and see it is coming down. Okay, so this would be a trap for all the bulls who got in late into the study. We had got out in this week itself, so we were good to hold it and make some good money when it had a blast. Okay, so again, this I would avoid. I will just say it is at support. Okay, so Nifty Pharma, Dr. Reddy looks good, Cipla looks good. Glenmark does not appeal me a lot. Okay, now let's look into FMCG and let's look into Hind Unilever. My first stock would be that. So that's my favorite. And see this, it closes the gap of 2200. Okay, so above now this, there is a chance of 2291, which is another gap here on daily. See again, this was a gap I was telling, it is a gap on all time frame. Okay, so again on weekly it has closed the gap, and now it might dip somewhere, because see this again at 60 resistance on weekly. Okay, so that is one of the resistance that we might see now. And let's see on this also. Yes, the gap has been filled, but the month is yet to be over. But see, it's above 60 and taking 60 support again. Okay, so there can be a chance that we might come up to that 29 and 2290 again on Hind Unilever as well. I think Oro Farzad, thanks for sending your thing. Please share your view on Swaychart's alumni group, your study on the chart, and then let me comment, okay? Because we are running already later, running late, and I have to rush somewhere as well. Okay, so that's why we had preponed that thing. Okay, so anyone who wants any stock guidance, please now send your view also to me, because see, that will help your study as well. Okay, I'm not getting lazier, but I want you to also do some manner, instead of getting a ready-made answer. So that will help you also on your study, right? And this is okay. So liver looks good to me. It's right now only weekly 60 resistance rest. Everything looks good to me. And let's see, if it crosses Okay, so HUL I have not yet done here. Okay. Dr. Reddy, let me just put again my view from here itself. Okay, HUL gap closed on daily and weekly. I'll not say for monthly because monthly candle is still not closed. Okay, weekly above 2200, um, above 60 and 5. Okay, at 60 resistance, and monthly I'll say neutral. Okay, so monthly is neutral. The only thing is you should buy above the high of Friday. Okay, so buy above high of Friday with 2200 as your stop loss. So maybe there is a 40 points risk for 60 points gain. Okay, so you might see 1 is to 1.5 as risk reward in case of HUL. Okay, let's see Britannia very quickly because it also made a new high and it's growing. So I had said that buy about 30 about this candle's high, which is 3670. Okay, and above that, see this is one candle which is gone now above and nothing stopping it now. Okay, it's only doing it's right now resisting the upper band. Okay, a breakout on even weekly and see again a consolidation and a breakout. Okay, so Britannia looks good even on that aspect, and even this is looking good monthly. So all-time high. So see, someone asked me, another. So Amar asked me, right? Dusra stock, apart of Reliance. Reliance you can buy anytime, even at this price. I'm fine. Bharti Airtel, I'm telling, and now Britannia also looking good. With maybe if you are buying it in equity, 3600 becomes your stop loss. Okay, so this really looks good now. So Britannia looks good. So no doubt, FMCG sector is having a rise. And last stock which I would love to see on this is Asian Paints. Okay, so it's right now see resisting 60. Okay, as well as see the gap. See, ये gap का जादू ना बहुत बड़ा है. See, right now this is also the gap. So इसको भी universal gap है. जब तक ये हर time frame पे नहीं cover करेगा ना ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. But look at this now. So now if it does not cross 60 on this month, okay, it's a multiple. See, it's going to have a multiple inside bar. Okay, तो इसको हम coiling pattern बोल सकते हैं. और इसका blast जो भी होगा ना कौन से भी side बहुत बड़ा होगा and इसका blast को measure करेंगे हम इससे. Okay, so let it have a blast, breakout on either side. A bigger blast is expected. Okay, so this looks good and you can follow this pattern out here on Asian Paint as well. Okay, so now let's see the last sector which is remaining and the favorite one, IT. Okay, see at price resistance all-time high. Okay, so this is where it got resisted. The results are not that good, we all know, but it is good with respect to the market expectations. Okay, so daily, this is at monthly, and monthly we see at this resistance. Okay, and also approaching 60. So whether it crosses 60, it may be a good breakout. Okay, shooting star on weekly at resistance, but above 60, and daily took 60 support with volume, and it's a pro gap candle. Okay, it's a bull sash on daily, so bull sash at maybe probably at price support you can say, and 60 support. So this looks good as well. So TCS now looks good for a new high maybe. Okay, and your stop loss would be this low. Okay, so again TCS looks good to retest all-time high. Okay, uh, clear on all time frames, but resisting previous all-time high and monthly at, yeah, okay, and monthly at 60 resistance. Okay, so that resistance we need to see how it crosses. So monthly is still not completed. Okay, there are chances that in this next 10 to 12 days we might cross 60 on monthly as well. Okay, that's why I'm not considering the close of the candle. Okay, so this is what we see, and I'll just, I think, oh, I pulled out my plug. Now it's charging. Okay. So last thing, let me just see quickly onto it. Infosys as well. Okay, so see, this is also getting resisted at this gap. So this is a gap resistance here. Okay, that is where it is getting resisted, right? So this is the gap resistance here. Again, we have upper band and 60 resistances simultaneously, and also almost 60 resistance on monthly, right? So yes, I would prefer, this is looking, this sector is okay if it is able to cross the gaps, and this is also at gap support on the downside. Okay, so I think overall we might see some still upside going on. On Nifty side, it looks good to me, but Bank Nifty, we need to see what it does tomorrow. Okay, because Bank Nifty is still at 38% retracement, is not able to close it. Though yes, we did went to 23,000, but yes, we are still to close it on closing basis on weekly to give us a confidence for 24,400. Okay, so thank you all for this, and we'll see you all tomorrow again in the morning, right? So thank you everyone.